it's an expense. Currently, it's only 0.25% of the population in Nigeria that have insurance.
0.25%.
Yes.
Wow.
Of the population in Nigeria that has insurance.
We are at the Lagos Zenith Bank Tech Fair 2024. It's organized by Zenith Bank annually. I think this should be the 4th year. Tech is here to talk to tech companies, tech startups, tech founders. So let's go over and hear what they are doing, what innovations are being brought on ground. And Tech here, remember, follow on all social media handles, subscribe to the channel, and let's go. May I know your name?
My name is Olufela Olurin.
Okay, and what company are you here representing today?
Transcape Insurance Brokers.
Transcape.
Insurance brokers.
Insurance brokers. So that sounds like you're into insurance. Tell me in 1 minute what you do.
Okay, so we are more or less intermediaries between customers and insurance companies. What we do basically is help customers, both retail and corporate customers, source for the right risk management solutions at the right price.
Awesome. How long have you been in business?
We've been in business for 3 years now. Okay. And we only recently launched our application about a month ago, which is InsureAce. InsureAce is basically what we kind of do traditionally, where we help customers, like I said earlier, where we help customers source for the right risk management solutions with underwriters. Now, what we have done is to look at the market and look at what will be different and that would help the public. So what will be different is moving to the future, and Zenith Bank has not said it less. The future is here, right? So that is why we have gone a step further to create this platform that would be accessible, reliable, affordable, and convenient for customers.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Awesome. You're quite a young company in Nigeria, and I always applaud companies, people, founders who keep starting up companies, even with the economic situation in the country and everything. So far, what has been the biggest challenge you're having doing business in Nigeria?
Recently, I would say staffing. Okay. Yes, because of the outflux of people leaving the country. So talent management has been the real issue. Before I now come down to the business itself, which is insurance, and which is not top of mind for anybody right now. And with the economic challenges that we currently have, it's an expense. Currently, it's only 0.25% of the population in Nigeria that have insurance.
0.25%?
Yes.
Wow. Of
the population in Nigeria that has insurance. So the only way to reach the market that cannot be reached traditionally is through digital and through InsureAce.
That means there's still like a huge market to be covered.
Exactly.
So, but then again, I believe in as much as you've launched your app, that's a great thing, but there is still a huge gap between those who know technology so well to be able to use applications. Like a normal farmer in the village, for example, might not even have a smartphone, right, to be able to access your app. So how would you be able to reach out to the people who are, in the very deep parts of our country?
I was waiting for that question, and it's a fantastic question. So, yes, we've been in business for 3 years, and like I said, we've only launched our app. We're running both, platforms, traditional and digital. So why you say people that don't have smartphones is the word of mouth, is the door-to-door marketing, is the referrals that we have, and then of course digital will do the rest of the work.
Awesome. So lastly, in the next 5 years, when you will be probably 8 years old in Nigeria, I hope you'll be around till then.
Yes.
But then in that space of time, where do you see transparency heading towards?
Okay, I see us gradually moving from traditional to full on digital, where all our transactions would now only be online. Customers, retail and corporate, can now access insurance at the comfort of their homes, their offices, knowing fully well that they are getting the right price, knowing fully well they are getting the right cover, knowing fully well that it's convenient for them, so they don't need any interface. Do you understand what I mean? They don't need any interface to buy insurance or understand the policy. For every time a customer tries to purchase an insurance policy on the application, if you look at the screen behind you, before you purchase that policy, for example, a motor insurance, there's a little bit of demo education for the customer to understand the kind of policy that you're buying, you're understanding the benefits and you're understanding the future of that policy. So it guides you in your decision to pick the insurance. Yes, you can reach us on our website, www.transcapebrokers.com.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
And hopefully one of these days we could probably sit down in a more convenient place so you get to give us an extensive interview of what your business and how you are impacting the lives of people in Nigeria with it. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Nice
Good
to
luck.
meet you.
Nice to meet you. Hello, I hope you enjoyed that video. This is not a sponsored video. It is brought to you free by Ztech channel. We create tech content including interviews, product reveals and reviews, tech business coverage, podcasts, and tech tutorials. If you would like to have a one-on-one interview with me about your business or for sponsorship, partnerships, and other inquiries, please email anatotech@gmail.com or send me a DM on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and other social media at Anatotech. That's ANATUTECH. You can also WhatsApp me on +234 70357 19745. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications, and I'll see you again very soon.